Hello everyone, my name is Yuhan and I'd like to present this research. The title is 3D Virtual Try-On System Using Personalized Avatars, Augmented Working in the Real World. I researched on human-computer interaction in AR and VR at the Waseda University. And here is my email and my contact information you'd like to reach out. And my presentation will follow this outline: introduction, related work, goal and proposal, system design, implementation, conclusion, limitation, and future work. First, I want to introduce about the online shopping. With the continuously development of e-commerce, the number of consumers purchasing clothes online is increasing. But this lack of direct try-on experience may lead to increase the perceived risk of purchase due to the difficulty in judging the product specs. And therefore, the virtual try-on technology appears. The virtual try-on technology can provide a virtual try-on experience by simulating the consumer's physical fitting in the real world. And the virtual try-on technology can provide users with a variety of convenience, such as the consumers can virtually try the garments on and gain a sense of garment details. And it can assist the consumers to accurately assess the fit and the size in the online shopping environment. Also, it can provide the convenient and quick fitting for the consumers. Here are some related work about virtual try-on technology. One can add the 2D overlay virtual try-on. This technology also called magic mirror. It's just mapping the 2D clothes on their bodies. And users can see the augmented clothes on themselves from a mirror. But this kind of virtual try-on did not use any 3D information of clothes, so that users cannot view their garment from arbitrary viewpoints. Therefore, the 3D virtual try-on technology has been appeared. There are some fashion firms employed the 3D virtual fitting room in the real world, such like Gap. In this system, the clothes and the body model are 3D, and users can check their dress model from different points of view. But this kind of 3D virtual try-on system only uses some predefined virtual body. It's not personalized. So the users cannot try on clothes on their own body. In addition, the virtual body is static. The users cannot view the garment in a dynamic way. Therefore, we proposed our 3D virtual try-on system using personalized avatars. In order to enhance users' shopping experience for users, we highlight these 3 points. First, we want to personalize users' virtual avatar based on their body and face information. Second, we want to realize the 3D garment visualization based on some online garment images. And third, we want to provide a dynamic fitting experience for users, which can allow the users to animate their personalized virtual body in the real environment. And our system overview can be shown as this picture. First, we want to generate some 3D garment model based on this 2D online garment image. And we want to generate a full human body model based on the 2D face image and capture the video body shape. And after that, we can match the 3D garments model to the personalized human model as the personalized avatar. Then we want to use this avatar to build our virtual try-on system. Our virtual try-on system can be used in these 2 scenarios. First, the users can fitting some different clothes in several virtual scenes. And second, the users can animate their personalized avatars in the real life scene. And about the system design, First, we want to reduce the gap between physical fitting and online shopping, so that we think an appropriate 3D human body representation corresponding to the real users should be important. Therefore, we want to personalize the human body model based on their face and body shape. And we think another important element of virtual try-on system should be the garment. So we want to provide a better online garment product visualization for users. We think our approach want to use the garment image information from existing shopping websites like H&M and Zara to create a virtual garment. And then we can match this virtual garment to users' virtual body and give them a sense of try-on clothes on their own body. So how we will build our 3D virtual try-on system? We want to combine the VR and AR technology to simulate the virtual try-on experience for users. We want to use VR technology to build our system, and the users can view their personalized avatar fitting different clothes in several virtual scenes, like this picture shows. And we want to use AR technology to allow users view their avatar doing some daily life activities in the real environment. This is a demo video of our system.
Our system allows users to view virtual garment fitted onto personalized body models and animate them in real-life scene. The user's virtual avatar is generated based on their own body and face information. Garment images are gathered from online shopping site and 3D garment visualization are realized using Cloth Weaver. We combine VR and AR technology to simulate the try-on experience for users. In VR fitting, users can view their personalized avatar fitting different clothes in several virtual scenes. In augmented walking scene, users can view their avatar doing daily life activity in their real environment.
About the implementation of hardware and software, first we use the Google Pixel 3 for users using our system, and we use the Unity 2019 as a development platform. We use 3ds Max and Blender for some 3D garment modeling, and we use the Vuforia SDK for AR setting and AR building. So first, I want to introduce about how we generate the personalized human model for users. We generate the 3D face model based on a 2D face image using dense methods, and we generate a human body model based on a captured video body shape using semiotics work. And then we just integrate the face model and body model together to this personalized avatar. Then I will introduce how we generate the garment model for users. First, we should prepare some 3D garment model template using Cloth Weaver. Cloth Weaver is a plugin for Blender used for 3D garment design based on 2D solving patterns. And we prepare several types of clothing templates for the female users and male users, like this figure shows. And the next step we should do is to map the texture to the existing 3D garment template. The whole process is shown as this figure. Take this t-shirt for example. We first should to gather some garment information from existing shopping websites like H&M and Zara. And we should segment this garment image into several different parts, like the front of the clothes, the back of the clothes, and its sleeves. Then we should to map the different part to its corresponding part of this 3D garment template. The last step we should to do is to render the 3D garment template with texture, and the result can be shown in this figure. And About our 3D virtual try-on system, we use the VR technology to provide users an immersive and interactive shopping experience. In the VR fitting scene, the users can fit several clothes in some different virtual fitting scene, like on the street or in the office or at the supermarket. This can provide some outfit idea for users with some various occasions or purpose. And we use the AR technology in order to provide users a dynamically interactive virtual try-on experience. In the augmented walking scene, the users can animate their dressed human body in 316 degrees and view their virtual body doing some natural activities in the real life scene. So to assess whether our 3D virtual try-on system benefits the user's experience when online shopping, we have conducted an initial experiment to evaluate our system. We invite a total of 10 colleague participants to do our experiments, and we conduct a within study with these two conditions. And the first condition is a virtual try-on condition. We allow users to simulate the shopping experience with using our 3D virtual try-on system. And the second one is an image-only condition. We allow users to simulate the typical online shopping experience using only images of the garments online. About the procedure of our experiment, first, we personalize the user's body model, and then we allow each user to simulate their shopping experience with these two conditions. And after each task, we ask users to complete the questionnaire. And at the end of the environment, we interview them and get some open-ended feedback. We analyze the results in terms of the user's enjoyment, convenience, augmented working, and the user behavior. About the results, for the user's enjoyment and convenience, we found that participants rated the virtual try-on condition significantly higher than the image-only condition in terms of users' enjoyment and convenience. For the enjoyment, we found that our 3D virtual try-on system are more enjoyable. For the convenience, we found that our 3D virtual try-on system can provide users a better feel for how these clothes looks like on their body. Also, we measured the augmented walking and the user's behavior. We found that all the participants agree that the augmented walking can enhance their shopping experience and provide better 3D garment visualization for them. And about the user behavior, we found all the participants prefer the 3D virtual try-on condition, and 9 out of 10 participants wanted to use our system in the future. At the end of the experiment, we interviewed the participants and gathered some open-ended feedback. They gave some reasonable suggestion of our system. It can be summarized into these 3 keywords. First is garment model. So our 3D garment model can provide a better understanding of the garment details for the users. But some participants said they want to use some more realistic garments with materials. And about the shopping experience, they think our 3D virtual try-on system can enhance their shopping experience by narrowing their selections and increasing their purchase confidence. Also, our 3D virtual try-on system can increase the enjoyment of shopping experience. And about the augmented walking, they think to animate their virtual body in the real world can provide a better judge of fitting for them. But if the motion can be more humanoid, it will be better. And this is the conclusion. First, we proposed a 3D virtual try-on system using personalized avatars. The virtual garment model is generated based on the online garment image, and we want to provide an interactive and dynamic virtual try-on experience for the users using the augmented working. Then we do an initial evaluation to validate our system. We found our 3D virtual try-on system is more enjoyable and more convenient than the typical experience of using image only. And our 3D virtual try-on system can enhance the shopping experience and provide a better judge of fitting and a better understanding of the garment details for users. About the limitation and future work, first, we want to build more realistic garments for users. We want to enhance the clothes animation and the clothes simulation methods to provide a more realistic virtual try-on experience for users. And second, we want to provide more humanoid motion for users. We want to use the motion capture technology to better simulate the user's walking motion and provide a more realistic and more interactive fitting experience for users. And that's all my presentation. Thanks for your time.